Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English Buddy podcast.
Hi, everyone. I am Sophia.
And I am Sam. We are so happy to be here with you today.
Yes, we hope you are having a wonderful day. It is time to relax and listen to some easy English.
Exactly. Just listen, relax, and enjoy the conversation.
Before we start, we want to say thank you.
Yes, thank you for listening to us every week. You are doing a great job learning English.
Please remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel. It helps us very much.
That is right. If you subscribe, you will not miss our new episodes. We want to grow our community together.
Thank you so much, friends.
So, Sophia, what are we talking about today?
Today, we have a very fun topic. We are talking about festivals.
Oh, I love festivals. That is a great topic.
Me too. Festivals are special days. People celebrate with food, music, and family.
Yes, every country has different festivals. It is interesting to learn about them.
Exactly. It connects us to culture and history, and it is usually very fun.
Sophia, do you like festivals?
Oh, yes, I love them. I love the energy.
Me too. What is your favorite thing about festivals?
I think I like the decorations the best.
The decorations? Like lights and flowers?
Yes, exactly. I went to a lantern festival last year. It was beautiful.
Wow, a lantern festival. Tell me about it.
It was at night. Everyone had a small paper lantern with a light inside.
That sounds magical.
It was. We put the lanterns on the water. The river looked like it was full of stars.
Oh, wow. I can imagine that. It sounds very peaceful.
It was very peaceful. What about you, Sam? What kind of festivals do you like?
Well, I like peaceful festivals too, but I really love food festivals.
Aha! I knew it. You love food.
It is true. I went to a street food festival last month. It was amazing.
Really? What did you eat?
I ate so many things. I had spicy noodles and sweet cakes.
Delicious. Was it busy?
Oh, yes, it was very crowded. There were people everywhere.
Sometimes crowds are difficult. Was it too loud?
It was a little loud. There was music playing and people were laughing and talking.
I see. But that is a happy noise, right?
Exactly. It was a happy atmosphere. Everyone was smiling.
That is the best part. Festivals bring people together.
Yes. Do you like music festivals, Sophia?
Sometimes, but if the music is too loud, I get tired.
I understand. I like loud music, but only for a short time.
I prefer traditional festivals. I like to see traditional clothes.
Oh, yes, costumes. Seeing traditional costumes is wonderful.
It is like a history lesson, but fun.
Definitely. Do you wear a costume during festivals?
Sometimes, if there is a parade, I like to dress up.
A parade. I forgot about parades. Watching a parade is very exciting.
Yes, the music, the dancing, the colors, it makes me feel happy.
We used some interesting words just now. Let's talk about them.
Good idea. The first word is celebrate.
Celebrate. This means to do something special for a happy day, like a birthday or a holiday.
Yes, we celebrate with parties or good food.
The next word is crowded.
Crowded. This means a place has many, many people.
Yes, if a bus is full of people, it is crowded.
Exactly. And the last word is atmosphere.
Atmosphere. This is the feeling of a place.
Right. A festival has a happy atmosphere. A library has a quiet atmosphere.
That is a great explanation.
Sam, do you have any tips for our listeners?
Yes, I have a small tip. When you talk about festivals, use your 5 senses.
Oh, sight, sound, smell, taste, and touch?
Yes. Describe what you see. Is it colorful? Describe what you hear. Is it loud?
I see. Describe the food too. Is it spicy or sweet?
Exactly. This makes your English more interesting.
That is a very useful tip. Start with simple adjectives.
Let's look back at our chat today.
We talked about different kinds of festivals, lantern festivals and food festivals.
Yes, we talked about why we like them. The lights, the food, and the happy people.
We also learned words like celebrate and crowded.
And we talked about describing festivals with your senses.
It was a very nice conversation.
We are almost finished for today.
But before we go, we have a question for you.
Yes, please tell us in the comments, what is your favorite festival?
Is it a food festival, a music festival, or a traditional holiday?
We really want to read your answers. It is fun to learn about your culture.
Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the English Buddy podcast.
Thank you for listening. Keep practicing your English.
See you next time. Bye-bye.
Goodbye, everyone.